Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 12, how heavy, how light. Okay students, and today's topic is word problems. Today's topic is word problems based on addition and subtraction. Okay students, now let's start question number 13. Question number 13 is a vegetable seller had 22 kg of potatoes. He sold 16 kilogram 200 gram. How much potatoes are left with him? Okay, students, in this question, here given that a vegetable seller had 22 kilogram of potatoes. He sold 16 kilogram 200 gram. Okay, and here we find that the total weight of potatoes are left with him. Okay, dear students, if we have to take the subtraction of 22 kilogram and 16 kilogram to 100 gram, then we get the result of this question. It means that if we have to subtract 16 kilogram 200 gram from 22 kilogram, then we get potatoes are left with him. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 13. Look at here carefully. A vegetable seller had potatoes is equal to 22 kilogram. Okay, and he sold potatoes is equal to 16 kilogram to 100 gram. Here we can write 16 kilogram to 100 gram. Okay, then potatoes are left with him distance. Look at here carefully. If we have to take the subtraction of 22 kilogram and 16 kilogram to 100 gram, okay, then after solving we get the result of this question. Okay, distance, it means that potatoes are left with him is equal to, if we have to subtract 16 kilogram 200 gram from 22 kilogram, then we get the result of this question. Okay, students, now look at here carefully. Here we have to take The subtraction of 22 kilogram and 16 kilogram 200 gram. Okay, look at here carefully. It means that if we have to subtract 16 kilogram 200 gram from 22 kilogram, okay, and here we can write 000 gram. Look, distance, look at here carefully. Here given that 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0, and here we get 0 and here 2. We know that 0 is less than 2, therefore we have to take 1 borrow, okay, from 2, and this 0 makes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, and here we get 1 in place of 2. Okay, students, here 1 and here 6. We know that 1 is less than 6, therefore we have to take again 1 borrow from this 2, and this one makes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Here we get 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that here we get 5. It means that 5 kilogram and 800 gram, okay, potatoes are left with him. Okay, distance. It means that after subtracting these we get 5 kilogram and 800 gram potatoes are left with him. Understand? Okay, distance. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay? Okay, distance. Please pause the video and write in maths fair copy and book both. Now read this. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 14. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In question number 14, here given that in a birthday party, a 10 kilogram chocolate cake chocolate cake was equally distributed amongst 40 children. 40 children. Okay. How many grams of chocolate cake did each child get? Each child get. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In this question, here given that in a birthday party, a 10 kg chocolate cake was equally distributed among us 40 children. It means that here given that the total number of children is equal to 40 and the total weight of chocolate cake is 10 kilogram. Okay, this is here we have to convert kilogram into gram. Then we have to take the multiplication by 1000 in 10 kilogram. Okay, look at here carefully. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, distance. Therefore, 10 kilogram is equal to, if we have to take the multiplication by 1000 gram, then we get 10 0 is 0, 10 0 is 0, 10 0 is 0, 10 1 is 10. It means that 10,000 gram. Okay, distance. It means that 10 kilogram is equal to 10,000 gram. This one please keep in mind. 10 kilogram is equal to 10,000 gram. Okay, and here given that the total number of children is equal to 40. If we have to take the division of 10,000 by 40, then we get the chocolate cake each child got is equal to 10,000 divided by 40. It means that after dividing this we get the result of this question. Okay, students, it means that after dividing 10,000 by 40 we get the answer of this question. Now let's start the solution of question number 14. Look at here carefully. The total weight of chocolate cake is equal to 10 kilogram. Okay, distance. If we have to convert kilogram into gram, then we can write 10 kilogram is equal to 10,000 gram. Okay, that means that 10 kilogram is equal to 10,000 gram. Look at here. And the total number of children is equal to 40 children. Okay, okay, distance. Then each child got chocolate cake is equal to, dear friends, if we have to take the division of 10,000 by 40, 10,000 gram by 40 children. Okay, look at here carefully. Here 0 0 cancel out, then we get 1000 divided by 4 gram. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here we have to take the division of 1000 by 4, 4 to the 8. After subtracting this we get 10 minus 8 is 2, and here we have to take 0. 4 5 are 20. After subtracting this we get 0 minus 0 is 0. It means that cancel out. 2 minus 2 is 0. It means that cancel out, and here we have to take 0 as same. 4 0 are 0. Okay, distance. After dividing this we get 250. It means that here we can write 250 gram. 250 gram. This is your answer. Okay students, it means that each child got chocolate cake is equal to 250 gram. It means that 250 grams of chocolate cake got each child. It means that each child got 250 grams of chocolates. Understand? Okay students, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Dear students, please pause the video and write in maths book and math fair copy both. Okay, now read this. Okay students, now let's start next question. Next question is question number 15. Question number 15 is okay students, question number 15 is a soap factory makes 120 kilogram washing powder. Washing powder every day. Washing powder is filled in packets of 250 gram. 250 gram. Okay. How many packets? How many packets are made in the factory each day? Each day. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question, here given that a soap factory makes 120 kg washing powder every day. Okay, it means that in one day a soap factory makes 120 kilogram washing powder. Okay, and washing powder is filled in packets of 250 gram. It means that the total weight, it means that the weight of one packet of washing powder is 250 gram. Okay, lessons, here we have to convert kilogram into gram. Look at here carefully. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, then 120 kilogram is equal to 120 into 1000 gram. Okay, here given that 30, firstly we have to take 30 and we can write 120 as same, then we get 1,20,000 gram. Okay, it means that 120 kilogram is equal to 1,20,000 gram. Okay, look at here carefully, and here we find that the total number of packets are made in the factory every day. Okay, then we have to take the division of 1,20,000 by 250 gram. Then we get the total number of packets are made in the factory each day. Okay, so now let's start question number. Now let's start the solution of question number 15. Okay, divisions, look. A soap factory makes washing powder every day is equal to 120 kilogram. Okay, sense? It means that 120 kilogram is equal to how many gram? Yes, 1,20,000 gram. Here we can write 1,20,000 gram in place of 120 kilogram. Okay, and the total and the weight of one packet of washing powder, one packet of washing powder is equal to 250 gram. 250 gram. Then the total number of packet packets are made by factory in each day is equal to, dear sons, if we have to take the division of 1,20,000 gram by 250 gram, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, okay, sense, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the division of 1,20,000 by 250. Here 1010 cancel out. Okay, then we get 12,000 divided by 25. Here we have to take the division of 12,000 by 25. 25 4 is 100. After subtracting these, we get 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is cancel out. And here we have to take 0 as same. 25 8 is, yes, 200. After subtracting these, we get 200 minus 200, it means that cancel out. And here we have to take 0 as same. 25 0 is 0. After subtracting these, we get 0. Okay, it means that after dividing these, we get 480. 480. Okay, sons, it means that if we have to take the division of 1,20,000 divided divided by 250 gram, then we get 480 packet. Okay, 480 packets. Okay, students, it means that 480 packets are made in the factory every day. Okay, students, please pause the video and write in math book and math fair copy both. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number.